Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see about some proverbs.
ଅଳ୍ପ ବିଦ୍ୟା ଭୟଙ୍କରୀ।
A little learning is a dangerous thing.
କଷ୍ଟ ନ କଲେ କୃଷ୍ଣ ମିଳେନି।
No pain, no gain. Please support my channel and like, share and subscribe to this video.
ଅତି ଭକ୍ତି ଚୋର ଲକ୍ଷଣ।
Too much courtesy, too much craft.
ଜୋର ଯାହାର ମୁଲକ ତାହାର।
Survival of the fittest or might is right.
ଗୁଣି ଚିହ୍ନେ ଗୁଣିଆ।
Merit recognizes merit.
ତୁଳସୀ ଦୁଇ ପତ୍ରରୁ ବାସେ।
Morning shows the day.
ଧୀର ପାଣି ପଥର କାଟେ।
Slow and steady wins the race.
ନାହିଁ ମାମୁଁଠାରୁ କଣା ମାମୁଁ ଭଲ।
Something is better than nothing.
ଲେଖୁ ଲେଖୁ କରଣ।
Practice makes a man perfect.
ହାତେ ମାପି ଚାଖଣ୍ଡେ ଚାଲ।
Look before you leap.
ଶୋଇଲା ପୁଅର ଭାଗ ନାହିଁ।
A sleeping lion catches no deer.
ପାପ ଧନ ପ୍ରାୟଶ୍ଚିତରେ ଯାଏ।
Ill got ill spent.
ବାଘ ଘରେ ମିରିଗ ନାଟ।
When the cat is away, the mice play.
ବିଳମ୍ବେ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟସିଦ୍ଧି।
All things come to him who waits.
ଏକତା ହିଁ ବଳ।
United we stand, divided we fall.
ଚୋର ଗଲେ ବୁଦ୍ଧି ଆସେ।
After that comes the doctor.
ଉଡ଼ା କଥାରେ ଗୋଡ଼ ନଥାଏ।
Rumor has no legs.
ଆତୁରେ ନିୟମ ନାସ୍ତି।
Necessity knows no law.
ଚିହ୍ନା ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣର ପଇତା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ।
A good wine needs no push.
ଟେକାଟିଏ ପକାଇଲେ ପଥରଟିଏ ଥୁଆ।
I will rebound itself.